Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa channel natin. Ngayon lang nag-intro. So, it is Saturday, pero si mami nyo ay nagbenta today. Normally, yung markets ko ay Sunday, but there's this one pre-love market na open once a month? Every first Saturday of the month, if I'm not mistaken. Open sila today. So, they messaged me earlier this week. Sabi nila if I'm, willing to come and sell for the markets today. And sabi ko, why not? Saturday and Sunday, sobrang pump si mami nyo guys kasi that's the time na, we go to the markets and we're making mula, diba? So, yeah, natapos na tayo guys, nakapag-pack na tayo. Hindi ako napag-vlog doon kasi yung market na kasi na yun, in front of like bakery na French bakery, and they have like music and thing going on sa umaga. Hindi tayo makapag-vlog kasi makaka-copyright man tayo. So, I took a few clips, yun lang. But yeah, we did really well today, which is very surprising, and I'm very grateful kasi kaninang umaga 3 hours lang kasi dun guys, hindi yun siya the same dun sa market na pinupuntahan ko every Sunday ng 4 hours. So doon mag-start ng 8, mag-pack up ng 11. So there's obviously less time para magbenta, and then sometimes hindi alam ng mga tao na nandun kami, so we rely on like the marketing sa Instagram nila, ganun. So I was very, nag-message na ako kay Daddy Mike, sabi ko, it's really quiet kasi 1 hour in, wala pa akong benta guys, kasi very quiet talaga. But then towards the end, nag-pick up siya, which is, which I'm very grateful guys. Kaya thank you Lord for the blessing. Kaya hindi mo talaga alam guys yung mangyayari. Like, it might start slow, but then mag-pick up siya towards the end, which what happened today. Sobrang happy ko guys. So, I have another market tomorrow. So, alam niyo na, si mami niyo ay sobrang busy. Si Daddy Mike yung naiwan sa mga girls natin today. And, tumawag ko kay Daddy Mike kanina. They're going out daw kasi taking the kids outside and all. And it's going to be like a busy afternoon and night time for us. Kasi, pagka-uwi ko ng bahay, kailangan na mag-pack kasi as mentioned, we have markets tomorrow. So, I need to repack kasi iba yung dinadala ko sa market bukas guys. So, dinadala ko sa market na to. Itong market na to today, it's more like, like high-end, more pricey stuff. And doon sa isa is mix yung bit-bit ko doon. So, kailangan kong mag-repack para doon. And we really have to do it like now pagka-uwi ko kasi tonight, very exciting guys. Kasi nung last week, 9th anniversary namin ni Daddy Mike, wala kaming ginawa kasi busy yung buhay-buhay guys. But then, my lovely cousins, oh my god, they're so amazing. Sila talaga yung gumawa ng paraan guys na Daddy Mike and I can go out for dinner or movie or some kind of date, ganun. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na hindi na namin nagagawa ni Daddy Mike ngayon, na may mga kids na, and also busy na yung life with our little business, ganun. So sila, yung cousin ko, oh my god, sabi nila, we will look after the kids for you guys. You go on a date night. And how amazing is that guys? Kasi hindi talaga ako nag-a-ask. They always tell me na if you need help mag-babysit ng mga kids, just tell them. But because I also understand guys na everyone may sariling buhay, di ba? Busy din sila. Although sila, they're very kind of them na mag-offer. But naintindihan ko rin guys, especially dito sa Australia, kanya-kanya talaga sobrang busy ng buhay. So hindi ako nag-a-ask. But then they asked me last week, sabi nila, do you have any plans on Saturday? Sabi ko, no, I don't think so. And he said, well, you have things to do now. You're gonna go on a date night, okay? We're going to take the kids and yeah, go out for dinner with Kuya Mike. So yun yung gagawin namin ni Daddy Mike guys. I'm very excited kasi hindi namin ito nagagawa ng often. But very thankful sa mga pinsan ko dito sa Brisbane, guys, na alam nila yung struggle ng, being parents, and we don't have time for each other anymore. May time naman sa bahay, ganun talaga, no? But iba talaga, diba? So the kids are very excited too kasi ma-enjoy sila. They will play games, and they love their cousins. Let's just go home now so we can do this packing. Actually, guys, pupunta pa ako ng Chemist Warehouse kasi nag-glasses ako today kasi wala na akong naiwan na contact lens solution, and kailangan kong bumili ng bago. So since malapit lang naman ako dito sa Chemist Warehouse, I'll go get contact lens solution para mamaya pag labas natin sa gabi, mag date night tayong ganyan, may contact lens, and we will look nicer. Ganun. I think this one will do. Meron sila nito. 3 for 2. Oh, dalawa na siya. So, isang free. Sorry. $21.99.
Isn't it basic? Like X large?
I think this one. And then we go on there.
No, it's not here.
Natutuwa lang ako. Parang gusto kong bilhin. Gusto na akong violet, bibili ko eh. Kailan
Guys, I'm home with my kiddos.
Your father.
You. Nagluto ako ng noodles, guys, kasi gutom ang tindera. Ayan, and then cuddle time before work ulit. And nanonood ako ng rated Korean, si Madam Violet.
Violet? I think violet.
There, see? Everything she has at home, all violet. Look. Her hair. Her glass. Look.
Ang bahay ni Marilyn,
Fan.
5 taon ng mistulang purple world.
Yan pa lang ba? Say hi sa
Pinasok rin
Hi,
namin
tita,
ang kwarto
tito.
tubig ni Marilyn. Siyempre, as expected.
Did you have a good day with daddy this morning? Yeah?
Pajama, medyas, at
I miss you today.
pati ang calculator at
Too
cellphone
much.
niya, hindi na pagkiwala sa
You were there so much. You were there for so long. Dad, noodles?
Yeah. Mama's gonna have noodles, okay? Go, go.
I was eating noodles.
Were you?
Yeah.
Come with me. Mama, what?
Mama, sa kanya na
Noodles hot though.
para itaguyod ng
I
mag-isa
want
ang
eat
kanyang
noodles.
mga
Noodles is hot. Anak! Anak, wait, hala, it might fall.
sa mga
Ano yun lang?
sakripisyong
Hala,
ginawa niya
it's hot.
para makapagtapos ang mga anak. Sinusuklian naman siya ng mga ito ng todo suporta sa kinahihiligan niya. Sa katunayan,
Just got
anak niya, nagsusuot din
Okay.
ng mga damit na color violet.
Pinatatahan ko siya, I carry her around the house para
Yes. No, it's still there. It's like
niya
in
talaga
my
na
No, I'm not touching your tea. No.
maglimbag-limbag ba?
It's
Lumabas kami ng room, and then, kasi tayo talaga, I tried so hard talaga na parang
Guys, we're watching
talaga siyang mabalik sa
old
tulog
video.
niya.
our old videos,
Tapos
right?
mata niya,
Mga
guys,
maliliit pa sila, guys, so we just laugh.
naglaro o ba?
We have been laughing the whole time.
Sa sarili nila ba?
Battery niya, guys,
Ang liit pa nila. Kaya I really love
kahit saan.
vlogging, guys. Kasi ito, pag nanonood kami, and it really like shows ng mga
You're my baby.
ano pa sila, maliit pa sila. Now, look at them, they're getting bigger, and
Nakatulog talaga ako.
yung mga vlogs namin ngayon, we'll watch in 2 years time. Because malaki na sila.
A few moments later.
That's right. Whoa. The girls are off to the cousins.
I thought it was a monster.
Big girlini! Looks so cute, my love. Show me. Wow! Tamki ko. Nak, wait lang. Wait lang. Ay, stop here, Lini. Wow, so cute. Did you make that yourself?
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's in Sunnybank Market Square.
Hello.
Hi, Shalene. How are you?
Hi. How are you, Nat?
Good. How are you?
Hi. Look at the cousins. Oh, still 18th birthday, huh?
No, is that yours? That's the last week.
Hello.
Which one?
Your scarf.
No, that's not mine.
Oh, that's not yours? No. Your scarf is
I've done that.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Oh, John. Thank you.
Wow, so pretty. Ready?
What's the baby?
You want to go there? Huh? Is that your favorite place?
The babysitter for the night.
They have really nice ice cream as well.
Hello.
There's ice cream too.
And we have to show you an outfit, of course.
Oh, well, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Outfit of the day.
Hey, who's outside?
This is Natalie's future outfit.
Ati.
We want to see the outfit.
Show the outfit.
Do you want to do a runway walk with your mum? No? Outfits.
In a few years.
Do a spin for
Leave it in
us.
number old, you know?
What are you wearing? Gucci? Balenciaga?
So this dress is from Portmax.
Beautiful.
This one is from Zara, I think. Balenciaga.
Oh. And barefoot.
Thank you guys. Here are my angels. Yay! See? Ang daming angels guys. Ay, huy!
After you sit down. Front of my face.
Oh, di ba? Ang daming mga guardian angel.
800.
Where's the baby?
My dad took her.
That's right.
He's red. Nah, I'm gonna put fucking.
Game.
She made it.
How do you play? Oh, the. How do you play?
Like you have to use your imagination.
The names.
A toilet. Come on, let's go. Damn, Lolo, Daddy Lo.
Daddy Lo.
Hawit ako.
I love it. Natalie. Nakahawid lang sa kadyot pero wala ko naman sila. Kaya di mo makahawid ganito. Huwag kayo. Wala ko dito ninyo ha. Bantay mo. Wala ko.
Dili makawit ang Daddy Lo.
Hindi pwede. Manglakaw mo kahawid si Daddy Lo. Oy, kaloy sa mong baby girl ay.
Natalie was a
Okay.
Girl ako.
Natalie was here. This is when people were here.
This one is
You
a
like
big
baby?
girl.
And is it Brent?
Yung baby?
And then he came out and he was like, oh, hi.
Komportable kayo sa yung luloy. Be a good girl, okay?
She was like,
To the cousins.
she was like,
Love you. We will see you soon. Mommy and Daddy will just have dinner. Okay? And we will have something to eat too.
How are you,
And
Paris?
Adi, okay?
How's your kickboxing?
Tingnan niyo, oh. Ang dami
Kickboxing.
nila, oh.
It's not kickboxing, it's karate.
Giving me like,
Ay?
and I was like, oh my god.
Oh, jujitsu.
I love you so much.
Karate.
I love you so much.
What's that one? Brazilian.
Love you.
You always win, eh?
No.
You always win.
Love you.
No loss.
Oh, that's why he looks at the shit. I know.
This is also Natalie's new bag.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Natalie, if you see this in the future,
We'll put your name on it. Alright, we'll go because we'll be late. Okay? Walang problema yung iwan, eh. Oh, cool. That's where we're going, guys. Korean street food. Oh, I love this. Sabi nila ni Mike, hindi daw niya alam na hindi daw parang romantic sa loob. I don't mind, I love this. Bibimbap. What's bibimbap?
Katana.
done with our dinner, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sunnybank Market Square para kitain yung mga kids with the cousins. Because they're having ice cream here. Sabi namin ni Daddy Mike, na lang namin sila pick upin para hindi na kami kailangan bumalik sa bahay ni Girl, bahay ni Tito. Oh, they're there.
Where?
There. Can you see their faces? Tingnan natin yung mukha nila.
That was surprising.
Oh my goodness, ice cream. Oh my goodness.
How's your neck, guys?
Ay.
No more virgin.
The food was so late. Yes, Mama. Did you want it? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay na. Thank you, Jo.
Yeah, it's good.
Hi. How are ya?
Mommy, I want this.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot.
From where? The arcade.
Oh, yeah.
What you guys see?
Capybara. Like 2 seconds later, and all this means actually like that's tiny coming up.
You want to say thank you to everyone?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for looking after the girls.
Mama, after this.
And then we can dry it. Look. Dry it.
Toilet lang kami, guys. Uuwi na kami. Andun pa si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga pinsan ko, guys. Sa baba. Pero siya gusto mo. So, ito lang pala yung suot ko tonight. Like, walang extra kasi, my God, si mami niya talaga yung pag-good, guys. Ayan. So, yung, alam niyo ba, pumasok ako ng room, guys. Parang ginanon ko lang. Ito siya. Yung jacket kasi it's very cold na. Oh, lala, this monster. Heck. Nakita ko yung jacket and sabi ko, yeah, I need jacket. Obviously, kasi maginaw na. And then, ito, navy, o parang ano siya, kaya itong kulay din ba? Para mag-match. Di ba? And then, yung aking Hermes Oasis na sobrang gamit na gamit ko na, guys. Malapit na itong malos tayo. And then, yan lang yung bag.